Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing something a bit different. I have a Beyblade lot coming in on April 22nd. And I got multiple pretty good competitive parts. Link in the description for the seller. I buy from him a lot. It's been a bit, I think, since I last bought from him. But I will put his YouTube channel in the description below. But yeah, I'm currently watching Zanky's birthday special stream. Oh shit. But yeah, I missed that since I was at work. So yeah. Yay, being about to be 26 years old. But yeah. I I'm kind of glad to see Zenki actually diving into plastic gen as an old Baytuber. I mean, a younger one. I remember watching and seeing his young Zenki videos back in high school. Oh God, but yeah. But I am working on the tournament. I have these guys combos. I'm trying to put one of your guys' combos together. But yeah. And I'm gonna be doing some reviews on these guys on my anime / manga channel. And I will be reacting. Hold up. Okay. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. I'm back. But yeah, I had to put you on my phone tripod. But yeah, I'm planning on doing a reaction to season 9 of Ruby. I'm actually a really big fan of this series. If you can't tell, I'm a huge Avatar fan too. So this one was a real good series. Very dark. Definitely season 9. Oh God. But yeah, I'm actually planning on doing repainting this and putting clear coat on it. So yeah, this will be fixed up very soon. And I will be actually using my Gundam markers because I have the white I need. And I can use my black marker, Gundam marker for it. Then I'll put clear coat over it. But yeah, stay tuned for that. But yeah. Actually, since I'm on here, sorry, I can actually make one of your guys' combos. Since, yes, then I will double check this, but so yes, for this on the blade base, and also I actually will be adding this guy to Salamander to the tournament. So if you guys want to actually enter this tournament, hopefully YouTube doesn't make this for kids, because that's annoying as hell. Where did that pop off? There's Jigger. No. Okay. I'll use this Jigger. But yeah, really, again, I'm watching Zenki's video. I know a lot of people have some words about him, but I do watch his videos. At one point, when he was younger, I thought his voice sounded annoying, but not anymore. But yeah. And I did see one of your guys' commenting on his stream, and you should know who you are. Because I will link both videos, both channels in the description, and plus this video. And yeah, I'll be doing a ton of cat fight battles actually after this video goes up. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.